Uma ngabe uMayeni engangiphathi kahle, uMakhumalo engangiphathi kahle, uMangwabe bengangiphathi kahle, asikho isidingo sokuthi ngingaganwa futhi. So unumber 6 kuyobe kuyibona benze ngimthathe. Kanti isithembu sami njengoba ngino number 5 sigwegwile, fanele ngibe no number 6 anyway ukuze siqonde. Njengoba bowugwethe nje nabo bengithwalisa kanzima, bengihlukumeza kanzima kanje, hayi badlalele itshe neyifayo. Elokugcina lokuthi ngiyindoda ejabulile kakhulu. 1, iphupho enganginalo ebuncaneni bami lokuthi ngizoba nesithembu, nginaso isithembu.
Can we all agree ukuthi uMusa is not satisfied? Akaneliseki uMusa, and ukunganeliseki kwakhe kuzodestroya le polygamous anayo already. Uwife number 5 ulethe inkinga ezimore, and now sekacomplain ukuthi yena isithembu sakhe is uneven and ufuna sihlaliseke nje kube yi-6/6 nje, babe yi-6 abafazi bakhe baphelele. And uMusa into ezomenza ukuthi agcine labafazi laba bemzonda noma behlukene naye or bangasafuni next yokwenza naye is because he doesn't understand ukuthi umfazi needs i-reassurance and umfazi doesn't like being replaced because uluza i-value more and more and more. And I know bangena esithembini bazi, and maybe one day they'll act like uMacele bangasabi bothered ukuthi uMusa whether uyajola or akajoli, ayisafuni bona lo, as long banezindlu zabo baphila impilo zabo ufika ngesikhathi sakhe. But even if bekafuna vele ukuthi isithembu sakhe sisebenze, bekazosebenza already. Angisho sekamfakile number 5, bekazosebenza kule 5 anayo ukuthi babe right, babe satisfied. Bakhwela amzalele labantwana athi uyabafuna, kube right nje, ahlale phansi uMusa kayi-1. But he's not satisfied. That's why sekazositshela ukuthi thina yena sekafuna ukuthatha uwife number 6. And it's not a joke. Angabe anayo umuntu ajola naye. And then he asks himself ukuthi why abafazi bakhe bamtreat so, not acknowledging and just taking accountability ukuthi okay fine, okay maybe ngirong, ngifuna isithembu and now I have all the wives, but still I still want to get more and more and more. So ukuthi kahle kahle into engibatshela yona labafazi ukuthi they don't satisfy me, they don't feed me correctly, like ayikho into abazoyenza ezonganelisa. Man, yo abana amadoda especially osesithembini ekufuna ukungena isithembu, make sure ukuthi nje wena inhliziyo yakho icinile and uzoyimela lento ecalayo. Ungathi abantu bahlulwa yithembu zabantu abayi-2. Imagine uMusa sekafuna ukuyenza i-6 ukuze kube even. Cha shem, uMusa uthunyelwe. Hayi uthunyelwe shem, and he's not satisfied. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? I just think uMusa is creating more wounds for abafazi bakhe. Create ama-wounds lawa bayile ku-retreat, but there's no peace because uMusa uya-eda instead of ukuthi afule alungise le nto anayo. Thank you guys for watching.